Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Appreciate you jumping on. Today we are going to talk about XRP and Cross River Bank. The hidden X connection explained in simple terms. Before we do that, let's take a look at pricing quickly. Bitcoin sitting at 70,388, Ethereum sitting at 2,065, and down at the number 5 spot, I believe it is, XRP is sitting at $1.38. So not a lot of movement in the crypto sphere. So let's take a look at Cross River Bank and XRP. We want to keep it simple here, but there's been a lot of buzz. Elon Musk X, formerly Twitter, just teamed up with a bank that's been quietly using Ripple since 2014. Do me a favor if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We're going to try to keep you up to date on the latest and greatest with XRP and cryptocurrency. So, first, what is Cross River Bank? It's a real FDIC insured U.S. bank based in New Jersey. It's not a giant like Chase. It's a smart, tech-friendly bank that works behind the scenes with fintech, apps, and payment companies. Think of it as the secure vault that holds your money when you use popular apps. It provides banking as a service, basically the safe infrastructure so apps can offer checking accounts, deposits, and transfers without becoming a full bank themselves. Cross River is like the invisible strong box that keeps your money safe while the flashy app on your phone handles the fun part. What is X and what is X Money, in case you don't know? X is Elon's everything app, formerly Twitter. In 2026, they're rolling out X Money, a built-in payments feature so you can send money and receive money right inside the app, just like Venmo or Cash App. But in this case, for 600 plus million users worldwide. That's a lot of people. And that's a lot of folks that are going to have the opportunity to make use of this. Deposits and user money for X Money are held at Cross River Bank. That's the direct connection. When you add money to X, it sits safely at Cross River. So here's where it gets interesting for XRP holders. Cross River Bank has been partnered with Ripple since September 2014, over 11 years. Back then, they integrated Ripple's technology, the same system that powers fast cross-border payments on the XRP ledger for real-time transfers between the US and Europe. That partnership is still active today. So the chain is X Money to Cross River Bank to Ripple's rails and the XRP ledger underneath it all. It's not a brand new partnership, it's a quiet infrastructure link that's been running for over a decade. Imagine X Money as the shiny new car, which is the app, Cross River as the reliable engine and the gas tank, the bank holding the money, and XRP Ripple as the super fast highway the car can now zoom on for international trips. So, what are some different use cases? They're connected because Cross River provides the trusted, regulated banking layer that X needs to launch payments safely, while Ripple and XRP provides the instant global movement layer. So, use cases that are already happening or coming. Everyday peer-to-peer payments on X. You can send money to friends or creators instantly inside the app, backed by Cross River's FDIC insurance up to $250,000 safe. Cross-border transfers. X uses in the US X users in the US sending to Europe or beyond could tap the same Ripple Cross River has used since 2014, seconds instead of days. Business and creator payouts. Influencers or small businesses on X paid directly with stable coins or fiat flowing through the system. Future global features. This could be in the future. X money could expand to remittances, merchant payments, or even tokenized assets, all with the fast, cheap rails already built. Similar to what you see on other apps, but this could happen a lot quicker once it's on there. It's different from pure crypto wallets because it's fully compliant banking and blockchain speed all in one place. How does this help XRP? Here's the bullish part for Ripple and XRP. More real world volume flowing through these rails means more activity on the XRP ledger. Every cross-border payment using the Ripple tech could settle on the XRPL. This means fees burned equals less supply over time. X money brings mainstream users, hundreds of millions, into the ecosystem. Some will discover stablecoins like RLUSD and eventually XRP's bridging power. Institutions and fintechs see that old school banks like Cross River already trust Ripple Tech. It opens doors for bigger adoption. It's not XRP is launching on X tomorrow, don't get me wrong, but it's real infrastructure quietly connecting one of the world's biggest apps to the XRP ledger. That's how adoption actually happens. So, let's take a look quickly at some posts from some other gentlemen here and ladies on X. So you can take a look at exactly what they're saying. Apologies, I'm going to try to get this on the screen for you. It's not showing me it right now, but we're going to try to get there. And I apologize, it's not showing up. So I'm going to just share these with you. Ripple Bullwinkle says X Money just announced peer-to-peer payments with a debit card, direct deposit, and FDIC insurance. It's running on serious financial infrastructure. The banking partner, of course, is Cross River Bank, the same institutions with years of Ripple history. These aren't random dots anymore. And then from Diana at Invest with D, connect the dots, she says, MasterCard crypto program officially includes Ripple, Cross River Bank, and WeBank. MasterCard has officially launched its crypto partner program, which confirmed participants include Ripple, Cross River Bank, and WeBank. So those are just a couple of examples, ladies and gentlemen, that show you that this is going to be big. So I apologize for not being able to get this up. For some reason, it does not want to show. So I'm going to stop the video here, but I thank you for jumping on. We'll get this fixed on the next one. And it's happening. It may not be overnight, but it's happening here with XRP. Do your own research, of course. Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.